What are you expecting? Okoko Kagabiakwa fundraising. Hey, that reminds me of the fundraising last Saturday.
Nah, I feel the man on my comments and now that no a good Megana about that. So
I don't think my one young show face because I want to say man my who can play already.
My sister already demented, though he be
honestly, I don't think I were a long way to go. Assignment your message I
okay, the assignment, you got more 2 times, you got go 2 times 2 table, like 2 times 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, you got one, not if I go to school. You want to give after so much talk, she will only convince 1 or 2 people. Unlike in Bork and Bono with USB. Names are 4,000, 3,000, you know. But now, under conviction, he got so assignment she's still learning. On that convincing man with us, already the so on the behalf of social media. I'm a different Ghana, so he convinced the man DJ. Okay, the assignment. The assignment area or the assignment. The channel back over. Okay, get what said. Okay, go away. Say, yes, the men assignment. Blue for the mass. Be a say I got so. Eba, you cannot because for the mass. What you know, 2 times the book I go. Or more that now.
My brother says you be careful. Honestly, these people they have like I always say, I like a Korabi and a Lupehow. Because if you chop off, yes, they never expect it. Also, I never expect it. I don't never expect it. Honestly. They never expect it. My brother, thank you so much.
Thank you, my sister. My regards to your family. Thank you.
All right, take care, my dear.
God bless you. All right. So that's our dinner there. And please, we have come to an end of this broadcast. Somebody said I should talk about fundraising, what happened in fundraising yesterday. Nothing much. I did not go there, but the thing is that everybody that went there keep on saying that they're playing music. Even our brother called here and he's one of those people. So I told him just once they start playing Osadebe music, just wake me up so I will join because I'm a fan of Osadebe music. So if just keep on watching, if they play Osadebe, then I will join it. They said that the music they're playing there happens to be I don't know Suba and Pedicom or something like that. So it's just like it's funny anyway. It's just a funny thing because you can't eat your cake, you can't have it. As simple as that. And nursing, you were saying something about a program. Which program is that? I wanted to know the program you were talking about. Were you talking about the? I don't know if is it the program that we did yesterday that we did not finish or a new program? I would like to hear from you. Are you talking about the program that? Hello, sir.
Hello.
Wow. You are just like an ego. So we don't see you often. So anytime we see you, we have to rejoice. How are you, sir?
Not too bad. Are you? Sorry about that. It's time factor.
I understand, sir.
Sometimes you have the opportunity to see you online. Sometimes you don't. Because today is Sunday. I just came back from church and I saw. I was searching.